Red girl gon' send your mind. Red girl gon' break your heart. But I don't want a red girl in my life, no.
Somebody with a little body. If you're looking for somebody with that energy, looking for somebody with a little body, swing my way, swing my way. If you're looking for somebody with a little body.
So in today's video, you can tell by the topic of what we're doing. I am going to do the face first, and then we're gonna get into the eye. Let's get into it. And I'm taking my Verse moisturizer I got from Target, and I'm just applying it all over the skin. So now that the skin is moisturized, I'm going to take my NYX HD Studio Primer and put it in my T-zone area, or basically all over the place, because your girl, this is what you're supposed to really have it in here. And you think I'm gonna listen? No, I'm not. Taking my Going This Way concealer in the shade Caramel. No, I like, cause that's too freaking wow, Nia. Anyways, we're gonna take, we're gonna take the NARS foundation, the little push, and we're gonna take our flat brush right here, and we're gonna clean the top of the brows. And then we blend.
You're too nice and your boy doesn't make you smart.
Okay, so now that I've set my face with, what do you call that thing? Setting powder, set the primer, I am going to take the Black Radiance Liquid Highlighter Illuminator and put it to the back of my hand, and then we're gonna highlight the key points of the face. Today we're not gonna conceal the dark spots. We're going with the foundation. Take my M439 brush, which is this, X Plus, and then pass. Blend it, I mean. Don't forget your ears and your neck. Going with my beauty sponge from Target. Just blend it in some more. I'm going to conceal with my winter concealer. So let's hope I don't look crazy. If I do, I'm going to add my Urban Decay. But key points of the face. Thank you. Using this Real Techniques brush I got from TJ Maxx, and I'm gonna just blend the concealer out. I'm crazy. Concealer down. Now I'm taking my Fenty Pro Filter in the shade Cashew. Speed up. That we're doing simple shit today. I'm taking my Morphe Bronzer in the shade Showmans. You know what? I'm going to set everything plus. Ow. I'll take this thing we got from TJ Maxx. We're going to press it into the skin in hopes of blending everything out even more. Taking my Urban Decay powder foundation in the shade Dark Warm, and I'm going to set the remainder of my face. Earsies, foreheads, cheeks. Okay, so boom. Taking my Sahara Blush Palette Volume 2 from Juvia's Place. I'm going to take this shade Tau. Taking my 6 Plus and spraying my brush so I can pick up the product. I'm taking the highlight for Juvia's Place in the shade Nubia. I'm going to take my E17 brush and take this shade Ofla in the Festival palette, and I'm going to apply it on my crease as my transition shade. So right here, pack it on, and then so you guys, your girl, sorry for the smacking, but your girl did her own first press on design because I low-key tired of paying like $80-90 to get my nails done every 2 weeks. So if you want me to show you how I just do it, just let me know down in the comment section. And your girl also did her knotless braids herself for the first time ever because I was like, I don't know how to do box braids. So if you want to see how I got that done when I redo the front, I'll show you guys. Let me know if that was in the comment section. I didn't say this before, but I'm taking on my eyelids. I cleaned it up with my micellar water, and then I'm taking my soft orchid paint pot from MAC and concealer. No name Morphe brush. I'm going to take the shade Manoa from the same palette I use for my crease and just pack on the shadow. So now that we got that out of the way, so taking my liner Sorry if it gets lost, but I blind. And where the lighter shade stops, we're gonna just line over it with a liner and do it with it. So now that this side is done, I'm gonna do the other side, and well, it's not really done. I'm gonna attempt the other side and then I'm gonna come back. Taking the shade Over, which is in my crease, and I'm going to put it under my eye. About to be the last thing. So what I'm doing now is taking my NYX and lip liner in the color Espresso and just gonna line my dry lip. Taking my liquid matte lipstick from Elle that I got from Target, and taking my Elle Illuminating Mist and Zen and setting my face. Alright babies, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section what other looks you would like your girl to do. All the products used in today's video will be listed in the description box. If you had made it this far, go right ahead and put pink heart emojis in the comment section so you can let your girl know that you're a real one. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Nia Zhrane. Like this video if you haven't done so already, because it will help me out a lot. Subscribe to your girl channel if you ain't do so yet, but you made it to the end, so just subscribe because it's free. And watch another video which will be in the end card, and I will see you in our next one. Bye.